Previously on WeWanderlustCo. We arrived in the historic city of Fukuoka, and after my accident, we decided to take it easy for the day and visit Ohori Park, where we tried our first unagi bento box and watched the sunset. Today we visit a cafe that has the best desserts before heading out to Nanzoin Temple to see the largest bronze Buddha in the world. To our surprise, on our way back home, there was a full-blown Christmas market at the JR Hakata station, which we had to show.
Hey guys.
Hey guys!
Yeah. So today's plan is to visit the largest bronze Buddha in all of Japan. It's all the way up in the mountains, so we're gonna take a train ride over there. But quick update on Shafeen's hand from yesterday.
Yeah, my arm. So there's a lot of swelling on my elbow because I think that kind of broke the fall.
Yeah.
But thank God there's no fractures. I just had swelling and a lot of pain last night. So we're getting off to a late start.
We've been, Shafeen's been popping a whole lot of ibuprofen, just kind of get rid of the inflammation. But
Waseem took great care of me. Thank you.
We're gonna make it all better by visiting a cafe, dessert shop.
Yeah.
In this early morning, so we'll see. But do you know where we're going?
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, you don't know.
The cafe's name is I don't know.
Oh, okay, I got it.
The cafe's name is I don't know,
Yeah.
and supposedly they sell some really yummy looking desserts and drinks.
And we concluded that it'll probably make Shafeen feel all better.
I think that's right.
Let's go.
So if we thought we just got the last viewing of Jingugae in Tokyo, we were wrong because we see a street lined full of beautiful ginkgo trees, and this would be a good photo opportunity if you missed that one.
Yeah.
So nice.
So honestly, we thought we had kind of missed it because we were in Kyoto during the peak of Momotsugai, right?
Yes.
But I see there's still ginkgo leaves on the trees. They're still hanging around.
Beautiful, bright yellow.
Yeah, and
So
to see the entire main street lined up with it, it's so nice.
We have made it to a cafe here. Interesting name. It's called I don't know. I don't know either, but let's go find out.
I don't know what the menu is about. Yeah.
Oh my goodness, I'm so happy we came here. It is a bit on the pricey side, but I really love that we're here because the whole cafe is just so cute. It's full of these cute little hand-painted teapots and some delicious, the cutest looking desserts I've ever seen.
Yeah.
And like the vibe is really cozy, and they have like different themes throughout the year. So right now they're having like a Christmas theme, which is really nice. And so here we got a lemongrass ginger tea as well as an Earl Grey tea.
Yeah.
Yep.
Nice. And
And then we got a meringue pudding cake. I'm super excited to try this, but it looks so cute. I really don't want to dig into it, but we must because we have places to be. Oh my goodness.
what was the thing that you said about the cups being brought later?
Oh, you know what? Honestly, I was like, oh yeah, these are the little cute little teapots, and we're gonna get the cups later. But in fact, this is the cup.
This is the cup, yeah.
Cute. And in goes the tea.
Hey, with the nice view of the trains going by.
Yes.
So nice.
It's so nice. We've seen like 4 different trains go by along with the Shinkansen.
Yeah.
So views are
Nice.
great, vibe is really nice, and we're just gonna enjoy our little dessert / tea and then get on our way. I'm not kidding.
Is it?
This is so worth it.
Yeah.
It is nice, light, creamy, melts in your mouth, and it's a mixture between like milk, condensed milk, pudding cake. Oh my god, this is so delicious.
Really?
And this is the lemongrass ginger tea. I don't think it has any sugar in it. I think it's just to complement the sweetness, all the sweetness that you're gonna get from there. But it's not even overly sweet.
Yeah.
It's so good. I like it. Nice hot
There's a nice blend of lemongrass and ginger, but the lemongrass is more prominent.
Nice.
Yeah, but yeah. Oh my god, this is like the best thing ever. If you come
Really?
here, yeah, definitely get this.
Nice.
I can't wait for Waseem to try this. Oh, it's so good.
Yeah.
10 out of 10. I think it's making my arm
All better. Yeah.
all better right now. It's so good.
Probably do a few push-ups after this.
No,
No?
but I can have another one.
So, Percy, I don't know how I feel about that. The experience. Because I don't know.
What? The experience?
I
What
don't,
experience?
I don't know how I feel about that.
Oh my god!
Sure,
Because
Shafeen's-
the cafe's name is, I don't know. What a random name, right? It's like,
It's
like
like,
what do you
yeah.
want to name the cafe? I don't know.
Yeah.
So I think
I don't
maybe that's how it was created.
Yeah.
But yeah.
And it's funny, even their logo, the mouth,
Yeah.
the two eyes, they actually got it on the door.
It
It's so
is
cute. Yeah.
just so cute.
But-
And it's just full of women. Just Waseem was the only guy.
Yeah,
there.
it was just all cuteness
Yeah.
overload in
Yes.
there. So
All Instagram photos.
I felt special.
Okay.
Yeah, how was your trip?
It was so good.
Yeah.
Oh my god! If you do come to Fukuoka, you have to come to this I don't know cafe. And actually, it's a one drink per person, so
Yeah.
you can't just order like one drink.
Just kind of be there.
And then,
yeah.
lingering, loitering.
Look.
But so it's like one drink per
Yeah.
person and the little dessert.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, so the entire balance came out to what, 1850?
yeah,
which is
$18.50, which is like $12. It's definitely like pricey for us.
Yeah.
Because we don't usually do things like
That's-
this. But
yeah.
once in a while,
Once in a
I like
while.
to treat myself to like cute little cafes and
Yeah.
coffee shops, and this is totally worth it, especially that dessert.
Anyways, guys, let's go catch the train over to the. I thought you felt better. I thought everything was all good.
I do feel better in my head
I think she's been trying to make me feel like I need to bring her here
again.
tomorrow, even though we're checking out. So, yeah, would you like to come here
Yes.
same time? So, guys, I don't know how I feel about that walking sign. It looked like an alien walking a girl.
I would trust that.
No, but I don't know. I think the theme of the day is I don't know.
Oh my goodness, when is this gonna stop? It was so interesting to see. We passed down an underpass or something, and there was like a whole bunch of murals and like artwork on the walls, which is very rare to see in Japan. Like there's no sign of graffiti or artwork, but we've seen a whole bunch in Malaysia. But it was interesting to find that here in Fukuoka.
It's massive, right?
And it's very quiet and peaceful here.
It is.
This is the world's largest bronze reclining Buddha, not just in Japan, but in the whole world. We are here at Nanzoin Shingon Buddhist Temple,
Yeah.
and it is the main location among the 88 other temples for the Sasaguri pilgrimage. That's one of the three most famous pilgrimages that people take, and we are here to behold it.
Yeah. It's massive.
Beautiful,
Yeah.
huge 300 tons.
Yeah.
And what is it,
41 meters by long by 11 meters high.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
As soon as we got off the train station, we could actually kind of see the head from there. And it's about a short walk, but then you get to walk through the temple grounds. So they have koi pond, they have toy gates.
We also pass like the mini Buddhas
Yeah.
that have like all different kinds of expressions, and they kind of put cute little red beanies on them. It is so nice and serene here. This is a sacred place. We're here to pray. Cool, but there's many places where you can't do photography or videography, and that's just to preserve the integrity of the temple. Right? And if you want to come experience this for yourself, oh my god, this is
It's amazing, yeah.
it's so good. Like it's 1 foot is taller than my feet.
Yeah. Design at the bottom of the feet is so nice. It's got like a little flame. So yeah, so supposedly people do touch them if we've seen them. I guess it brings good fortune or whatever. Shafeen said it's bigger than her, but it's actually taller than me. I'm 6 feet.
Oh my goodness, look at this.
But yeah, so the design, right? So amazing. So, how was the experience?
Every time we go to a Buddhist temple, it's very like calming and grounding.
Yeah, but when we were coming, I actually noticed that I had the musical notes on these, and I feel like I feel like you tap them or use some type of instrument to hit them, and it makes sense. A lot of people walk past it, but I kind of notice it.
Yeah, I totally.
Yeah. So you completed the whole melody.
Yeah, I love coming to Buddhist temples.
Yeah.
They're just very peaceful and quiet.
Yeah.
And I think with the hustle and bustle of everything, and even us like zooming with our Japan Red Class just everywhere,
Yeah.
it's kind of nice to come to a more quiet, peaceful place.
And then slow down.
Grounded and
Yeah.
yeah. I can't help but just this whole Hakata station, it's like a square, but it's filled with so many restaurants and cafes and pastry shops. It's filled with delicious pastry smells like cheesecakes and what do you call it?
The whole place smells like delicious goodness.
Yeah, it's so good. And look at these. Oh my god, it looks so yummy. I don't know if we should get some. Everything looks so delicious, aisle on aisle on aisle. There's so many delicious looking pastries. I think we're gonna go with this. It is chocolate and cream cheese.
Yes.
Okay, so let's get one please.
Yeah, we got the white chocolate.
I know, Waseem's favorite. With so many options available here at this station, we just decided to go with one of the stores, and it's called Mrs. Elizabeth Muffin. They have about 36 sweet and savory muffins, and we got both sweet.
Yeah.
This is the chocolate and cream cheese, and this is the white chocolate.
Yeah.
Cheers! Today has been a day of desserts.
Desserts, yeah. Is it good?
Wow, yeah.
Is it good?
Tis the season, y'all.
Right, we'll finish this off, and then it's something special here at the station that happens every year.
Yes.
We'll check that.
And they also have a whole green space right in the middle of the station where you can rest, relax, walk down the beautiful pathway. I mean, come on, wow. They don't even have this in malls sometimes. Oh, it's an orange and a mochi. It's like a whole orange and a mochi. That is so good.
Yeah, I've never seen anything like that. And man, is it lit up in Christmas colors.
Yeah, because in the day you can't tell,
Yeah.
right? You just have to
see those
No,
fires
no.
and everything
Yeah.
just kind of. But it's all illuminated
Yeah.
tonight. I guess
Amazing.
It's like a.
Yeah.
It seems like it's like a Christmas market.
Yeah.
That's what it feels like.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Yeah, they have like mulled wine. They have like
Yeah, they had
different ornaments.
hot
they're selling.
hot
I mean,
dinners,
yeah, that's
drink
so
cheers.
Cool. Oh my goodness.
It's so cool. Look.
Look at tree.
Amazing. Nice to see all lit up in blue. Yeah. All the trees are lit up.
This is so nice. This is what I'm talking about. We've never been to a Christmas market,
No.
but then also like back home.
We actually don't even have one. We don't even have a Christmas market. Yeah. So
So this is such a treat.
yeah, it is.
We've never experienced something like this, and that too at a train station.
Exactly.
Yeah, this is actually called the JR Hakata Square. So it is a train station, but then it has everything and more that a mall would have.
Yeah, yeah.
I would say, yeah. So cute.
Whoa. And look at the biggest Christmas tree out there. So nice.
Hey, there's also live
Yeah.
performances
Uh-huh.
here.
They actually sell candles too.
Christmas candles, snow globes.
Yeah.
Oh, this is so nice. Oh, this is so
Oh.
cool. It's like little incense holders.
Oh, I've never seen anything like that. No.
That is so unique.
Yeah.
They're all handmade in Lithuania.
Yeah.
And yeah, they're selling it over here at the Christmas market.
Uh-huh.
So unique. If things couldn't get any cuter. I see so happy.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we are going to call it a night, but we're finishing our night off early because we have the longest travel day tomorrow.
Yeah.
And yeah, so we're gonna see you in the next one.
Yeah. But if you guys liked the video, like and subscribe. We'll catch you guys tomorrow. Longest day. I believe it's gonna be almost an 8-hour travel day too. So, all right. See you guys in the next video.
Next on WeWanderlustCo.
So Shafeen did the room tour for me. Let's do the Wi-Fi speeds.
What? Oh my goodness.